In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not eligible For You feed. If your video is not appearing on the For You feed, the first thing you should check is whether it contains copyrighted material. So for this, review your video and make sure there is no copyrighted music, clips, or any other material owned by someone else. And if your video contains copyrighted content, then delete it and re-upload a new video with original or TikTok approved music from the app. And if your video does not contain copyrighted material and still is not showing up on the For You feed, here's how you can reach out to TikTok's support team. In the TikTok app, go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then from the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and click on Report a Problem. In this section, again scroll down and you will find this option of Chat with us. Click on it and the chat window will appear. In the text box, explain the issue. Mention that your video is original and it contained no copyrighted material, and ask why it is not being shown on the For You feed. And if you have any screenshots that show the issue, attach them as well. And once done, submit this. And TikTok support team will review your issue and you should get a response within few days.